I don't know what that is, but that's a weird looking stuff there, boy. I came out the door and it was longer than that. It was way long. I wished I could get closer to that one. He's going behind the tree, Prince. He's gonna hide behind that tree. He thinks he is. See how I come out here to go behind the tree? Right, Grandpa? Come on. Let's go see what he's doing. He's coming back out. That's a big old foe. Stop it, Prince. Stop it. He's barking at another one over here. That one looks like it's on the ground. It's a watcher. Ooh, there goes the big boy. Oh, there he is. He's going to turn into a plane, isn't he? We know it's not a plane. Planes don't maneuver like that I'm aware of. He's coming right this way. Pretending to be an airplane. Do you hear a noise? I don't hear any sounds. I don't know what that is. It's not a plane, and now it's going away. Oh, what the hell kind of plane is that? And don't talk to me about their little Tic Tacs. That thing is huge. Now I hear plane noise. Oh, they're even faking the noise. He's going, I can't get him anymore now. They're even faking the noise now. Oh, look, there's another one. They're just everywhere. Okay, Gibby. Come on, let's go in. I've had enough of these bastards tonight. I gotta go check the other camera anyway.